Bossy, just calm down. Breathe easy a little bit. Take your time and think, cause you always do this good. Just take your time and think.
You know what I mean? No, me don't know what you mean. Explain yourself. Carlton, reduce me to a yard boy. I mean basically I take care of Calder tours. I mean I do a good job. Place clean, pool clean, guests them take care of. And you know, say, serious things can happen. Like flood, hurricane, fire, tread very carefully, Trevor. Carlton, that's the old me. Right now, I meet a nice young lady. Wonderful young lady. What? Baby mother number 9? Not even dead man with a second get one day. I forgive you, my brother. Okay, so this one can be the wife. I'll tell you what, I'm turning my life over to the Lord. Sure. You don't waste my time. If there's nothing else, you know where the door is, you know the elevator work. See yourself out. Carlton, when you think about the conversation that we just have. And also, I do so much work on Calder tours. When I feel say I eat, should I really pass on to me? Think about it. Answer the door. Carlton, you get it twisted. I manage Calder tours. It's like your penthouse where you take from. Do yourself the favor. There goes that ambition again. Manager. Wow, you upgrade yourself. To the hour. Shit pan Carlton there.
Whispers, me can't take my time and think, you know. Remember, say, in the agency, once them figure say you have nothing to do with any client or anybody that out there, remember, them set trap for we. I saw them assassinate. We remember say we are sleeper. I saw we lose our life. I saw we lose our stripe. Them set bomb. They cut the cable. You break cable. We not safe. Me not safe.
So, what about the daughter? You hear nothing about the daughter?
The news says she's still missing.
See it? Them say she's missing. That means it still look like a kidnapping thing. Look on it that way, yeah. She just not involved because she dead. And you never have nothing to do with the kidnapping. So look into it that way there.
You might have a point, you know. But I don't know, Whisper. This just, it's still not sit down good yet. Something about it still just not right.
You're right about that. No, about this not look right. But bossy, differently still. I feel like if you stop thinking about that and stop stress yourself about that thing. This now have nothing to do with we. Make them deal with them thing. See? We now for just focus and think about what we are gonna do now, moving forward, how we are gonna get back busy. See what I say?
No worried about that, you know, Whispers. I'm worried about me. I shouldn't make my emotions get such a hold upon me where me decide say me I go after this woman. I should have just listened to my boss. I should have listened to Miss Amolins. I wouldn't feel the way I feel now.